Everybody's talking about solar energy, alternative energy. Well, I have now converted my tractor into wind power. Seems to be creating enough energy to drive the tractor. I think it's a monumental discovery. I'm thinking next time I will put one on each side, and I should be able to double my horsepower capacity, but it's patented pending, so we'll just have to wait and see, but could be on the market as early as 2025. So I'll stay in touch. You keep tuned, and we'll see how well this turns out.